The phone's BLF busy lamp field can be used to monitor the state of a certain user. To configure the BLF, press Menu, select Features, select DSS keys, and then choose the desired line key. In the Type area, select BLF. Then, input the label information in the Label area. In the Value area, input the phone number or extension that you wish to monitor. In the Extension area, input the pickup code, *87 for example, and press Save. After this setting is complete, the LCD screen will show that the corresponding account key displays the monitored phone number. When the LED light of the BLF key is constantly green, it indicates that the monitored line is idle. When the LED light of the BLF key is constantly red, it indicates that the monitored line is making an outgoing call or is conversing. When the LED light rapidly flashes red, 200 ms, it indicates that the monitored line is receiving an incoming call. While the monitored account is idle, you can press the BLF key to speed call the monitored user. When the monitored extension receives a new call, you can press the D pickup key to pick it up directly. You can transfer an active call directly to the monitored phone number by pressing the BLF key. To transfer a new call to the monitored user, press the BLF key to perform a blind or attended transfer.